me. Yo, we're having a rap battle right here. My cat's about to rap. Ready? You go first, cat. Rap. Alright, here we go. Nigga, look at you. Come on, you smell like a goddamn monkey bar. Smell like shit in your motherfucking cookie bar. You came out the trash with your motherfucking clown suit. Nigga, you like my motherfucking damn blue. Oh, hold up. This just got real. Hey, alright, since you want to talk stuff, yeah, look at your stinking old paws. They look like freaking grandpas off of the lamp paw. Look at your goddamn ass hanging out. That's because you in heat. You look like a motherfucking beat, nigga.